You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this place, located in the very south of Chile. It's the name of a place. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and names of famous places, make sure to stay tuned. The Spanish pronunciation here is as punta, meaning, a point. Arenas means sand, so it's the, the point of the sands. Punta Arenas. In English, you can say it as Punta Arenas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.